It's almost garden season, baby. Time to start that seed plan. Get out your calendar and mark your last frost date. I live in Colorado Zone 6B, so for me, that's May 7th. If you don't know your last frost date, you can go to the Almanac website and plug in your zip code to find out. Then mark 2 weeks and 4 weeks after your last frost date. Next, mark 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and 10 weeks before your last frost date. Check the back of your seed packets to see how many weeks before your last frost you need to start sowing. I like to start my pepper and tomato varieties 8 to 10 weeks before my last frost because they take the longest to mature. 6 to 8 weeks before my last frost, I plant broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and melons. 2 weeks leading up to my last frost date, I start succession planting my arugula, spinach, carrots, onions, and other lettuce outside. If you're from Colorado, you know about our Mother's Day snowstorm. Because of this, many people choose to wait until after Mother's Day to get their plants in the ground. After the last frost, I plant my peas, beans, corn, and winter squash outside. I also like to sprinkle some wildflower seeds to keep the pollinators happy. This is also a great time to take inventory of the seeds you need to restock. I like to write out a schedule for which seeds I'll be planting on which dates along with their harvest dates. Happy planting!